Hello everyone, this is Sam Adeyiwolu, an associate in the Tax and Strategy Unit of Stransact Chartered Accountants. Today, I'll be walking you through the changes introduced by the Finance Act to the various sectors in the Nigerian economy. The Finance Act was signed into law by the President, Muhammadu Buhari, on 31st December 2021. The law, or the Act, which has an effective date of 1st of January 2022, introduced diverse changes to various sectors of the Nigerian tax administration system. Among these changes are the ones introduced to the educational sector in Nigeria. As a private school owner or education administrator, you may be wondering what this means for your organization. Will you now be liable to payments of companies' income tax or not? From my observation, it is clear that exposure to company income tax is a question of the business form of the organization. Companies who engage in educational activities were exempted from paying company income tax. This is in accordance with Section 23, subsection 1C of the Companies Income Tax Act, which states that educational activities of public character are exempted from paying income tax. However, with the introduction of the Finance Act 2021, this exemption from paying company income tax has now been removed. The direct implication of this is that all educational institutions in Nigeria will now be liable to payments of income tax. As a private school owner or educational administrator, you may be wondering what the new tax regime means for your organization. The answer here lies in the business form of the organization. If your school is one that is registered as a company limited by shares, then it is almost certain that you'll be subjected to company income tax. However, if your school or educational institution is one that is registered as a company limited by guarantee, that is, your school is one that is set up not to make profits, or that the profits are not distributed to your shareholders or members, then you are still exempted from the provisions of companies' income tax. In addition to this, it is important to examine the intent of the law, especially as it relates to educational institutions and the recent amendments made by the Finance Act to Companies Income Tax Act. For further clarifications, you may contact Stransact Chartered Accountants.